Welcome back to this clown's garage. In this video I will discuss how to troubleshoot your heater blower system on a 3rd gen, which is an 82 to 92 Camaro / Firebird, and this could also be applied to any regular car. So this is what you have here. This is the wiring diagram. This is hot and run. So basically when you turn the ignition on, the power gets sent to the fuse here. And this is the heater AC fuse, it's 25 amp. And this is on your fuse block. And this is right on the dash where your feet are. And this is what it looks like. And you're gonna see that it's a 25 amp fuse, and it's this one here, heater AC. Some cars say HVAC on it, but it's pretty much the same principle here. And as you can see back here, it's a brown wire. As evident over here, it also says brown, BRN, 25 amp fuse. So you get power there. Then this is the blower switch. This controls the speeds on your heater blower motor. And there's an off, and there's a low, medium, high. So you're going to see that also on the resistor, which I'll show you how it looks in the car. Now this switch is inside the car where you control it. And say now your heater blower always works and you can't shut it off. It's either a bad switch here, which is always on inside here, connecting the battery to the blower motor, or one of these on a resistor here or past here, there's a short to power, which is giving it power. Because what happens here, this is the power from the red side of the battery, and this down here is the ground, the black side of the battery, and this is the blower motor. So all the power comes from up here, and all the ground comes from down here. If your motor is not working, go straight to the motor. You go with a test light and hook it to ground, then hook up the orange wire to it, and you should have power. If you don't, then something up here is bad. If that's okay and your blower motor still doesn't work, then you check your ground here. You connect your test light to a power source, and you connect the test light here to this wire. And if your test light doesn't light up, then that means you have a bad ground. So a good way to start would be to start your blower motor. Orange is power, black is ground in this case. Like I said, every car is almost the same with minor variations. This car doesn't have a relay. Most modern cars do. So check out your wiring schematic for how that works. And if you don't have one, you could probably go to just alldatadiy.com. They have a bunch of wiring schematics for your car. I believe it's like 20 bucks for your own car. And it's a one-time fee for that particular car. So over here, let's trace this real quick. The power goes here. Then over here is a switch for low, medium, and high. And if you go to low, it connects the power to this side of the blower resistor. If it's to medium, the power goes here straight down to this side of the resistor. And if you switch the switch to high, that's the speed of the blower motor, then it goes on this side of the resistor. So what happens here is there's a resistance in here that's created by these coils, which I'll show you how it looks like on the car. And that varies the voltage to the blower motor. So depending on which route, which resistor it takes, it varies the voltage, and it therefore changes the speed of the blower motor. So let me show you in the car how this resistor looks like. Alright, so in this car, it's on the passenger side over here. And this is your resistors for the blower motor. So if you don't have different speeds, say your blower motor works and you can't go from high to low or medium speeds on it, it's most likely your blower resistors in here are bad, or the wires going to them, it's bad. So let me take them off here. Let me take this off and show you what it looks like. So take that out. And these are 7mm bolts. And this could be located anywhere in the car. Some cars located where the actual blower motor housing is, or it's inside the car underneath some panels. And this is what the resistors look like. So this varies the voltage output. And you go ahead and replace that. So that's how you check your heater system on 3rd gen, and like I said, this applies to any car. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, you know you want to, and do it whatever you want to me down there. There's a whole bunch of things you can do to me. Share me, like me, whatever you want. There's plenty of this clown to go around. Thanks for watching, and toodles.